हे ब्यूटीफुल सोल्स, कभी ऐसा महसूस हुआ है कि नो मैटर हाउ मच यू ट्राई यू कीप गेटिंग सेम रिएक्शन, सेम पेन, सेम इमोशन, जैसे आपकी लाइफ एक रिपीट पैटर्न में चल रही हो. इट्स नॉट बिकॉज यू आर ब्रोकन और यू आर अनलकी और यू आर द ओनली विक्टिम. इट्स सिंपली बिकॉज योर ब्रेन इज अ कंप्यूटर और वो पुराने प्रोग्राम चला रहा है. प्रोग्राम ऑफ फियर, गिल्ट, डाउट, पेन, ट्रॉमा, जो बचपन से फ्रॉम स्कूल, फ्रॉम पेरेंट्स, सोसाइटी से आप में एक्सपीरियंसेस बन के इंस्टॉल्ड हो चुके हैं. लेकिन ये सब आप चेंज कर सकते हो. यू कैन लिटरली रीप्रोग्राम योर ब्रेन एंड फ्री योरसेल्फ फ्रॉम ऑल द सफरिंग. एंड मैं आपको एक ऐसे जर्नी पे लेके जाऊंगा वे विल अंडरस्टैंड योर ब्रेन, योर पैटर्न्स, योर सेम रिपीटिंग प्रोग्राम्स एंड वो अंदर के सॉफ्टवेयर को कैसे हम री इंस्टॉल एंड अपडेट कर सकते हैं. सो लेट्स बिगिन. यू नो दैट आपका ब्रेन एक सुपर कंप्यूटर है एंड एवरी सेकेंड, एवरी मोमेंट ये एक प्रोग्राम चला रहा है. योर कॉन्शियस माइंड इज योर यूजर इंटरफेस, जहां से आप अपना डिसीजन लेते हो, आपके प्लानिंग करते हो, ड्रीम करते हो. एंड योर सबकॉन्शियस माइंड, दैट्स योर हार्ड ड्राइव, जहां सब कुछ स्टोर होता है. जो जो बचपन से आपने फेस किया है या एक्सपीरियंस किया है, एवरीथिंग गेट्स स्टोर्ड in your hard drive, which is your subconscious mind. So when something happens in your life, your brain doesn't react from that event. It reacts from the old pattern which he has been through, which is installed and already programmed in your system. For example, किसी ने आपका message ignore कर दिया and immediately you feel hurt and angry. It's not about the message, it's about the old code which says I am not enough, I am being ignored, I don't get respected, सब मेरे साथ ऐसे ही करते हैं, ये मेरे साथ ही होता है या मेरे साथ ही क्यों होता है. तो शायद प्रॉब्लम वो व्यक्ति नहीं, आपके पुराने प्रोग्राम्स, आपके पुराने पैटर्न्स वो एक्टिवेट हो गए हैं. एंड द बेस्ट पार्ट, यू आर नॉट द कोड, यू आर द प्रोग्रामर. इट मीन्स यू कैन रीप्रोग्राम, रीराइट and write a new script. You know, हम सब पैदा होते हैं as a very innocent and simple souls. No fear, no guilt, no tension, no pain. As a child, we don't know that earning money is difficult, life is a problem, relationship is an issue, or life is hard. As a child, we are just simple, plain, white, clean slate and just filled with love and awareness, right? लेकिन जैसे जैसे हम बड़े होते हैं, your parents, your society, your school, all the system around you, your friends, they start installing different codes in your system. सब अपने अपने कोड हमारे सिस्टम में डाल देते हैं. And you know, the code which they are putting in, it comes from their childhood, which was been installed by their parents. So you understand कितना जुना, पुराना and कितने सदियों का pain, trauma, same pattern, same script. It's been coded in each and every person's brain, which is passed on generations by generation, and we are the people who are facing that, right? So simple things like, if you fail, you're not enough. प्यार मुश्किल होता है. Money doesn't grow on tree. It's difficult to earn money. सब आपको धोखा देंगे. प्यार सच नहीं होता. You have to struggle in life. You have to work hard to earn money. And the worst part and the actual true fact is हम इसको सच मान लेते हैं. Because your subconscious mind, it doesn't question. It starts recording every single thing which has been fed and which has been installed by the external emotion, reaction and your experiences. हर बार हम जब same emotion repeat करते हैं, जैसे guilt, anger, fear, रेज, आपके ब्रेन में एक न्यूरो पाथवे स्ट्रॉन्ग हो जाता है. इसलिए हम बार बार सेम रिएक्शंस रिपीट करते हैं, बिकॉज दैट इज बिकम योर पैटर्न, दैट इज रिटन एज अ स्क्रिप्ट इन योर ब्रेन. द साइंस सेज यू कैन रीप्रोग्राम एंड रीराइट योर ब्रेन एंड दैट इज नोन एज न्यूरोप्लास्टिसिटी. हर बार आप एक रिएक्शन के जगह पे एक अवेयरनेस से सोचते हो, यू स्टार्ट राइटिंग अ न्यू कोड विच इज filled with more power and peace. So there are some signs you will see in your day-to-day life जो आपको बताते हैं कि you are still running the old software and old program. Same triggers, same emotional reaction. You know what is right, but you can't stop reacting to it. And you attract similar people again and again. Same relation issues, same money problem, same physical issues, same mental issues again and again. And you feel stuck even when you're trying to actually change yourself. And अगर ये आपको सच लग रहा है और you feel this is familiar, don't judge yourself. Don't be harsh at yourself. Because I feel your brain is not wrong. It's just following the old pattern, old code, which is installed in your system, in your software. So your change starts when you stop fighting the program and you start updating it. Now let's understand how actually you can reprogram your mind. Step 1. अवेयरनेस। सबसे पहले नोटिस योर थॉट। व्हेन समथिंग ट्रिगर्स यू, बस रुक जाओ, जरा सोचो अवेयरनेस से। ऑब्जर्व विदाउट जजमेंट, डोंट बी हार्श एट योरसेल्फ, एंड अपने आप से कहो ये सिर्फ एक पुराना पैटर्न है। दिस इज नॉट मी, दिस इज नॉट हु आई एम। स्टेप 2, ऑब्जर्व विदाउट फिक्सिंग। डोंट ट्राई टू फिक्स इट, डोंट ट्राई टू फिक्स एवरीथिंग, just observe, just watch. Awareness is light and light can dissolve the darkness on its own. Step 3, replace the code. अब एक नया कोड लिखते हैं, and if your mind says मैं safe नहीं हूँ, replace it with I am completely safe and happy. If it says life is hard, replace it with life flows easily and it supports me. Repeat it, feel it and believe it. That feeling part, that is very important. You have to feel the emotion, and this same thing goes actually in law of attraction, where it's a different topic, we'll talk about it. So it's not about repeating, it's not about just affirmation. The emotion part, the feeling part, that will help you to rewire, rechange, rewrite and update your software. Step 4, emotions plus repetition. जब repetition emotion के साथ हो, तब brain एक new wiring बना देता है, एक new connection बना देता है. Feel how your new beliefs feel in your heart, and this is where your reprogramming starts. When I'm recording, a child is howling and crying. He may be right, he must have done something wrong or right, I don't know, but this is how your reinstalling, your coding starts from childhood. उसको constantly बोला जाता है कि you are not good, you are a mastikhor, means you create commotion, you don't understand, you are weak, you are stupid, आपको अक्ल नहीं है. Don't use such words. This is where reprogramming starts. Okay, सोच लो, आपका brain एक garden है, so whatever seeds you put in, it will start growing that. So choose your seeds of emotion, of reaction wisely. Okay, so I'll help you to rewire and reprogram yourself. Close your eyes, take a deep breath. Inhale and exhale. Let your breaths be natural and normal. Inhale peace. And exhale all the old patterns, old behavior which no longer served you. Inhale peace. Exhale सब पुरानी बातें and आपके पुराने codes. अब इमेजिन करो, आपका ब्रेन एक गोल्डन लाइट से ग्लो हो रहा है. Your entire brain is glowing with beautiful golden light. In your brain there is a screen, उसमें लिखे हुए हैं आपके old patterns, आपके old belief system. आपके हर सोच, आपका हर व्यवहार. जो अब आपका कोई काम का नहीं, which is of no use right now. All your old behavior, old pattern which didn't serve you. See all that written on the screen of your brain. If you can read a belief that I am not enough, erase it and write I am safe, I am happy. I am safe, I am happy. कोई दूसरा belief हो where life is hard, erase it. Life is beautiful, life is wonderful. Life is beautiful, life is wonderful. Life flows with ease and love. Life flows with ease and love. See any other code which is written on the screen. If you hate somebody or you have problem with somebody, erase that particular thought form and write I am at peace, I am at love, everything works out perfectly for me. I'm at peace, I'm at love, everything works out perfectly for me. Any belief regarding money, erase it and write, I am prosperous, I am wealthy. I am prosperous, I am wealthy. Pause for some time. I'll give you a little time. See any patterns, any thought form, any lines, any emotion which is coming in your mind which didn't serve you before or it's not serving you right now. In your mind, erase it and write a very positive new coding, a new pattern which will actually help you and reprogram you and change you. Take little time. Keep observing. Repeat silently. I am safe. I am free. I create my reality consciously. मैं अपनी रियलिटी कॉन्शियसली क्रिएट करता हूँ. I am safe. I am happy. I am healthy. I create my reality. I consciously create my reality. I am safe. I am free. I create my reality consciously. I am safe. I am happy. I am healthy. I create my reality. I consciously create my reality. Let this feeling settle in your heart and stay there. Erase old pattern and rewrite something beautiful, something strong, something empowering. Erase old pattern and rewrite something beautiful, something strong, something empowering. I am safe. I am healthy. I am wealthy. I get love. Everything works out for me. Life is beautiful. I am safe. I am healthy. I am wealthy. I get love. Everything works out for me. Life is beautiful. Stay there. Keep understanding, rewriting, changing it. ओके, अब स्लोली अपनी आंखें खोलो with a very beautiful and a peaceful smile. You just rewired your brain, not with force, with love, with peace and awareness. Remember, आप अपने thoughts नहीं हो. You are the awareness behind it. And you are the one who can rewrite a new story for yourself in your favor, where you will be the hero and you will be the star. Every time you are choosing peace over reaction, you are updating your software to a new version, a version 2.0. So meditation isn't about escaping light, it's about redesigning it consciously. And I specialize in meditation. I specialize in healing through meditation. So from this moment, choose belief which makes your heart feel light. Because the more peace you choose, the more abundance flows in your life. Thank you for meditating with me. Thank you for understanding the entire video, where remember, you can change your mind, you can change the coding, the pattern. Yes, it takes time because it's been written and it's been fit in your system from generations. One more thing, don't blame your parents, your society, or your school. Yes, they are the one who have started to fit and start coding your brain from your childhood, but they did what they did from what they had learned from their old patterns and codes. So now, since that we are aware, since we know what they went through, or since we know what we are feeling through, you be the person who is stopping, and don't let this go ahead in life to the people who you meet, your kids, your spouse, or your any other relationship, or anywhere at the workplace. So you be that person who stop this particular coding and reprogramming, ROM wiring, traumas, hurt, pain. You be that person, right? And you know how you can do that. Remember, you can close your eyes, meditate in that, and whatever old coding is written, erase it and write a beautiful one. Yeah? Also, add emotions to it. Remember. So thank you for meditating with me. अगर ये वीडियो आपके दिल को छू गया हो and you really felt connected, do share with your friends and family, or especially people who you know need to change their coding, which can help you to change your code in your life. And you can help me with my journey by simple hitting the like button, subscribing, and sharing this video with your friends and family. I am Rudang Desai from Soul Sync, and I'll see you in the next healing session. Till then, stay calm, stay aware, and stay synced with your soul. Thank you so much. Atma Namaste, and I will see you in the next one. Repeated pattern, repeated. Okay, your life is jhand. Because you are broken, or you... It's simply because your... मक्खी कहाँ से है बे? अरे यार, ये पूरे वीडियो में घूमेगी. It's simply because you're... It's... शुरू नहीं किया. It's... अकेला हंसता है. क्या हो गया लाइफ में तेरे को? It's अरे ब्रो, चलो अकेले में खुश है. Not bad. You can actually rewire your brain. क्या हो रहा है? मुंह को बोलने को क्यों नहीं हो रहा है? क्या कर रहा है यार? अरे यार, मक्खियाँ कहाँ से आ गई यार? मक्खी सबसे पहले. अयो, कहाँ हुई गवा है? सबसे पहले बबुआ कितना लंबा एक्सप्लेनेशन दे रहा है जहाँ गरज नहीं है. डिकोड द कोड. बस हो गया. एक फोटो क्या कर सकते हैं? फोटो इसमें फोटो के लिए टर्न कर लेता हूँ. रिकॉर्डिंग था कि नहीं?